How to link socials onto your Wix.com website. So maybe you'd want something like this little social bar onto your Wix.com website, where if a user press any of this, they'll be redirected onto your profile on the respective platform. So if they press Twitter, they'll be redirected to Twitter. If they press Facebook, they'll be redirected to Facebook, so on and so forth. So how do I add that? So first off, you'd want to go onto the left-hand side here, onto add elements. And then you'd want to go onto the social section of elements. It'll be on the social bar. There's a lot of templates you can pick. You can either pick this, you can pick this, you can pick this. You can also add a share button. If the user presses this, they'll copy the link to your website, and then they can share it onto their respective social media account. For this example, I'm just going to use this, like that. And right now, if you try to press it on preview, it won't lead you to anywhere. So first off, you'll need to press this set social links. Here you can configure a couple of stuff. You can also replace the icon if maybe in the social account you have it's not here. So maybe you want to add in I don't know, MySpace. You can download your own icon. You can press that, and then you can replace this with MySpace, and then you can change this onto your link of your account on MySpace. But for this example, I'm just going to add a Instagram. So in the title text here is Instagram, of course, and the link, I'll change this onto my actual link on Instagram. I'll copy this and then paste it there. And now when someone presses on this icon, it'll redirect them onto my Instagram account. How does it open? You can make it open on a new window. So it'll open a new window and open it there instead. On current window, it'll replace your website. So they'll be moving on to Instagram instead. I recommend new window. Done. And there you go. Now when someone presses on this Instagram icon, it'll redirect them onto Instagram. It's as easy as that.